What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Pianosaurus Sprunki. Let's begin today's lesson with that horn in the center of our page. We're going to start with the curve coming down and up across the bottom. And then from the ends, we're going to bend this up and in towards the middle, go out and then down towards the right. Now I want to move out towards the side. Come down and in towards the center. Let's round this out, go out and then up. Now I'm going to draw two lines going out towards the corners of the mouth. Let's start on the left. Going all the way out to right about there. Draw that same length line on the right. Now let's close off the ends with a curve coming down the bottom, round out the mouth, and bend that back up towards the right. Let's add two circles going around the corners of the mouth. So we're going to step in, draw that circle, going around, come down, and back in. Let's line this up on the right. Going all the way around, come down, and then in. Let's trace the mouth along the bottom, starting underneath the cheek. Just follow that same curve, going all the way across, and then up. Now to go in and separate the teeth. We're going to start right in the middle with a straight line. Let's move out, draw another line coming down. And we'll continue to add some more lines going out towards the side. Let's go to these two lines and add those thick black keys. So we're going to step in, draw a line coming down about there, line that up on the right. Just going to go across, just flatten this off, and go all the way back up towards the top. Let's fill these two keys in black. Let's add one more set. We're going to skip this key, go all the way out towards the side. I want to line this up across the bottom, go out and then back up. And then we'll fill those keys in black. Now from that center horn, we're going to move out to the side and draw two ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, coming all the way down, and then back up. Let's line this up on the right, coming down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add two small circles across the top for a highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now we're going to move to the center and draw the base of that center horn. Starting on the left, goes down and up. From the ends, we want to bend that horn, going up and then in toward that center point. Go out and back down towards the right. From the base of the horn, let's curve the head. We're just going to aim towards the top of the cheek. We're going to stop right about there. Let's add the base of the side horns, coming down and out. And we'll continue to curve the head, going out and then down on top of the cheeks. Let's add those side horns. From this point, we're going to bend this out and in. And then from the top, we're going to go all the way around the outside and then in towards the base. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, draw a straight angled line coming down and out to right about there. Move over towards the right side and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Let's flatten off the bottom. Now I'm going to add a trim along the outside. So we step in, draw another straight angled line, coming all the way down. And we'll add three keys going across the body. Let's start from the top with a straight line. Step down, draw that again. Let's leave a larger gap, draw another key. Then do that again, coming all the way down, add the last key across the bottom. I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of those keys. Now I want to add that tail coming up from the right, starting from the bottom corner of the body, going out, and then bend that up towards the end. And then on the end, we're going to draw a circle. Let's step over. We're going to widen the tail so it gets thicker as it comes back in towards the body. Let's add a trim across the bottom. So we're going to step down about halfway. We're going to go out and then taper that out towards the side. Let's add a couple keys across the bottom, just coming down at an angle. Leave a large gap and draw one more. And we'll fill the inside of those keys in black. Now we're going to add a couple spikes across the top of the tail. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Pianosaurus Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.